Is it me, or does it seem as if 2023 is just flying by? I don't know about you, but does it seem like the whole year just flew out of the window? And with that, so many of our plans flew out of the window as well. Now, I don't know about you, but I know that there are so many entrepreneurs that I know that made big plans for 2023, but the year just seemed to have other plans. I don't know. Maybe you're like many of us who feel like your plans for 2023 seem to have gotten derailed. And if that's you, you're at the right place. Or you may feel stuck or paralyzed. It seems like you just can't seem to get things moving. And if that's the case for you, then you're definitely at the right place. Or you may feel like you need a little help or a little push to help you get things moving again. And if that's the case for you, then you're definitely in the right place. Because on Tuesday, June 27th at 8 p.m., I'm going to be hosting a second half of the year planning workshop. Now, in that workshop, I'm going to be hosting it for people like you who had all good intentions at the start of the year, but maybe got a little sidetracked. And I understand. But wait, before I go any further, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Tony Coleman-Brown, and I'm the founder of the Network for Women in Business. And the Network for Women in Business is a place where you can get trained, you can network with other entrepreneurs, and you can connect with like-minded individuals like yourself. I'm also a business coach and a course creator. And what's going to be happening is I am going to be helping you on Tuesday, June 27th to have a better second half of the year than the first half of the year. And the only way to do that is by creating and executing on a plan. And I will show you how to do just that. I will show you how to tackle your plans using the RACE framework. Now, the RACE framework is going to show you exactly how you can race towards your goals and your dreams. RACE is an acronym, and it stands for RACE. R, responsibility, A, accountable actions, C, complete and check off, E, evaluate and adjust. Now, the RACE framework can be used to accomplish any goals. And what we're going to do is we're going to break it down on Tuesday night, and we're going to use it to show you how you can have an amazing second half of the year. Now, this is a very simple framework, and it can be easily done on your own. But you and I both know that if left up to your own devices, this probably will never get done. That's why taking the time out to do this with a group is going to give you more responsibility and help you become more accountable so that you can complete the process. And because of this, you need to register for this workshop right now. Now, imagine what your life is going to look like 6 months from now when you have completed every goal at 100%. What will you have done? Will you have saved more money? Will you have released weight? Would you have found a job? Would you have generated more sales? Well, whatever it is that you desire, we're going to assist you with getting it done this year. Now, for something like this, I could easily charge $197, but I'm not going to do that. I can also say save 50% and pay only $97. But I'm not going to do that either. Today, I'm only charging $49.99 for this workshop. And the great news is that 100% of the proceeds will be donated to my new scholarship fund, the Future Boss Scholarship and Mentorship Fund. And this is where I will be rewarding and awarding 4 high school or current college graduates that are majoring in business with a minor or a major in entrepreneurship. They're going to get a $500 scholarship to use towards their educational goals and dreams. I'm truly excited about this. And for that price, you're not only going to get a chance to attend the workshop, but you're also going to receive unlimited access to the replay and several bonuses that I included with this. Now, what are those bonuses? Well, you're going to get a free copy of the planning guide. It's the 2023 planning workbook. And I have to tell you that it's been updated, especially for this particular workshop. And it includes a myriad of new worksheets that you're going to be delighted to have, like the 6-month mission statement that's going to help you create a very economically focused mission statement where we're going to focus on 3 economic factors that you're going to accomplish within the next 6 months. It includes that and so much more. You're going to be truly happy with this new planning workbook. Additionally, you're going to get free access to my top 10 social media trends for 2023 audio program. You'll get the opportunity to listen to this 1-hour audio program that will show you what are the top 10 social media trends for 2023. And then you're going to get my free ebook on how to write sales pages that convert. Now, many of you have amazing and beautiful websites, but they don't convert sales. There are specific things that you need to have on your sales pages in order to make them convert. And in this bonus, you're going to find exactly the elements that you need to make your sales pages convert. And then in bonus number 4, you're going to get unlimited access to the replay and the workbook. I also included a special bonus number 5 that is 33 high value lead magnet ideas, which will help you create high value lead magnets that you can use to help you generate leads for your business. I'm super excited about that. So the total value of everything and every bonus is $387.99. And like I said, I could have charged more for this because you're going to get a free copy of the planning workbook, free access to my audio program on the top social media trends for 2023, a free ebook on how to write sales pages that convert, my free guide on the 33 high value lead magnet ideas that will help you to create lead magnets to generate leads for your business, and also unlimited access to the replay and all of the worksheets. And you're going to be able to get that today for only $49.99. It is such a steal. And all you have to do to get access to the webinar that's coming up on Tuesday, June 27th, and all of the amazing bonuses is just click on the link below this video and you'll be able to get access to everything for only $49.99, of which 100% of the proceeds will go to a great cause, which is the Future Bosses Scholarship and Mentorship Program that will be awarded to 4 individuals attending college this fall. So this is a really exciting time. I look forward to seeing you on the webinar. Click the link below and I'll see you on the other side.